The 2025 Suzuki Ciaz continues Suzuki's tradition of offering a stylish, spacious, and fuel-efficient sedan tailored to urban and suburban drivers. With refined looks, updated features, and a reputation for reliability, the new Ciaz aims to stay competitive in the compact sedan segment while catering to value-conscious customers. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2025 Ciaz reflects a modern and elegant design language. It features a sleek front grille with chrome accents, LED projector headlamps, and redesigned bumpers for a sportier profile. The elongated body gives it a premium look, while subtle creases and 16-inch alloy wheels add character and sophistication. The overall styling is both practical and upscale, appealing to both younger drivers and families alike. Interior. Inside, the Ciaz offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with a focus on practicality and aesthetics. Premium fabric or leather upholstery, depending on the variant. A user-friendly 7-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, automatic climate control, and rear AC vents enhance passenger comfort. The generous legroom and headroom make it ideal for long drives, and the 510-liter boot space ensures ample storage for luggage. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ciaz is expected to retain its 1.5 LK series petrol engine, delivering a smooth and efficient driving experience. The engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission. The mild hybrid system contributes to improved fuel economy and smoother stop-start transitions in city traffic. While not a performance powerhouse, the Ciaz focuses on offering a refined, fuel-efficient, and reliable ride. Safety features. Safety has seen improvements with the inclusion of standard dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat anchors. Higher variants may offer additional features like reverse camera, hill hold assist for automatic variants, and electronic stability program, ESP. The build quality is solid, and Suzuki continues to prioritize essential safety in its sedan offering. Market position. The Suzuki Ciaz positions itself as a practical alternative to more expensive sedans in the segment, like the Honda City, Hyundai Verna, and Toyota Yaris. With its spacious cabin, affordable pricing, and excellent fuel economy, it appeals to buyers looking for a reliable and economical family car without compromising on comfort and style. Conclusion. The 2025 Suzuki Ciaz remains a smart choice in the compact sedan category. It blends style, comfort, and efficiency in a balanced package. While it may not be the flashiest option on the market, its practicality, low running costs, and strong brand trust make it a value-packed offering for those seeking a dependable daily driver.